Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your hair and makeup at home in Heartopia. So you will need just a mirror. If you don't have that, you're able to craft it. Any mirror works, by the way. So here I'll show you if I place a different mirror, it will still work. If I could just find it. I'm gonna find one that I can put on the floor, which I can't find. Supposed to be up here somewhere. Maybe I missed it and you guys saw it and you're like, hey, the mirror is right there in front of you. I can't believe you didn't see that. Okay, here it is. I'm just going to carry that and I'm just going to place it. I obviously have a mirror there, but basically if you go near the mirror, you're able to press this button and you're able to change your face and your hairstyle. Only the ones you have though. If you don't have it, you do have to go back to the store. But yeah, make sure you put it in your house so people are able to go there and change their appearances if they want to. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.